Effective communication is essential in various aspects of life, influencing personal relationships, professional success, and social interactions. The ability to convey ideas clearly and listen actively can significantly enhance understanding and collaboration among individuals. Improving communication skills is a journey that requires self-awareness, practice, and a willingness to learn. To begin, it's crucial to understand that communication is a multifaceted process encompassing verbal, nonverbal, and written forms. Verbal communication involves the words we choose and how we articulate them. Clarity, tone, and pace play vital roles in ensuring that our message is received as intended. Nonverbal communication, on the other hand, includes body language, facial expressions, and eye contact, which often convey emotions and intentions more powerfully than words alone. Written communication, whether through emails, texts, or reports, requires a distinct set of skills that focus on clarity and structure to effectively convey ideas. Before embarking on the journey to enhance communication skills, self-assessment is essential. Reflecting on questions such as, how comfortable am I speaking in public? Or do I often misunderstand others or find myself misunderstood? Can provide valuable insights. It's also important to evaluate the effectiveness of your written communications and whether you actively listen to those around you. Recognizing your strengths and weaknesses lays the groundwork for targeted improvement. Verbal communication can be improved through several practical strategies. One of the most effective ways to enhance speaking skills is to practice active listening. This involves focusing fully on the speaker, avoiding interruptions, and showing genuine interest in what they are saying. Verbal affirmations like "I understand" or "That's interesting" can encourage the speaker and demonstrate that you are engaged in the conversation. Expanding your vocabulary is also beneficial. Reading widely introduces new words and phrases, which can enrich your conversations. Additionally, being mindful of your tone and pace can greatly impact how your message is received. Practicing varying your tone and pacing can help maintain interest and emphasize key points. Seeking feedback is another valuable tool for improving verbal communication. Asking friends or colleagues for constructive criticism on your speaking style can reveal areas for improvement. Recording yourself speaking and analyzing your delivery can also provide insights into what may need adjustment. This practice can help refine your verbal skills and build confidence in your communication abilities. Nonverbal communication is equally important and can significantly influence how your message is perceived. Maintaining eye contact shows confidence and helps establish a connection with your audience. Being aware of your body language is also crucial. Open gestures and an upright posture can convey confidence, while crossing your arms may come across as defensive. Facial expressions should match your message. Smiling and using appropriate expressions can enhance your communication. Observing effective communicators and noting their nonverbal cues can inspire you to incorporate similar strategies into your own interactions. Written communication is another area where improvement can yield significant benefits. Structuring your writing with clear headings, bullet points, and concise paragraphs can enhance readability. Starting with a strong introduction and concluding with a summary can help reinforce your main points. Being concise is vital. Avoiding jargon and complexity keeps your reader engaged. Always proofread your writing for grammar and spelling errors to ensure professionalism. Tailoring your message to your audience is also important. Adjusting your tone and content to fit their needs can enhance understanding and connection. Practicing communication skills in various contexts is essential for continuous improvement. Engaging in conversations with friends or colleagues on diverse topics can help you become more comfortable expressing your thoughts. Participating in public speaking groups, such as Toastmasters, can provide opportunities to gain confidence and receive constructive feedback. Role-playing exercises can simulate different communication scenarios, helping you prepare for real-life interactions, especially in challenging situations. Overcoming barriers to effective communication is crucial for progress. Identifying personal challenges, such as anxiety or fear of judgment, can help you develop strategies to overcome them. Techniques like breathing exercises or positive affirmations can build confidence in your ability to communicate effectively. Additionally, being culturally sensitive and aware of different communication styles is essential in today's diverse world. Adapting your approach to respect and understand various perspectives can lead to more effective interactions. Lastly, using technology wisely can enhance your communication skills. Familiarizing yourself with digital communication tools can improve your ability to connect with others in virtual settings. Recognizing the potential for miscommunication in digital formats is also important, as tone and intent can be easily misunderstood. In conclusion, improving communication skills is an ongoing journey that requires dedication and practice. By focusing on verbal, nonverbal, and written communication, actively seeking feedback, and engaging in conversations, anyone can develop their ability to connect with others more effectively. The tips and strategies outlined here serve as a foundation for building better communication skills, ultimately leading to more meaningful interactions and successful relationships. Embrace the journey of improvement, and you will find that enhanced communication skills can positively impact your life in countless ways.